been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
So guys, you can use glue or you can just wear it like this because it has 3 combs on the sides and 1 at the back, and then it also has a band just to make it more secure. So you can use glue or you can just wear it without the glue. So I'm inserting the combs in my hair. So guys, this has a very small cornrows. There's this one with bigger cornrows, and this one small cornrows. So I've shared some of my wigs with full lace. So if you're interested, just check the link down below or check my website for more full lace wigs.
They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before.
For this full lace, you have to apply foundation on it to make it blend well with your complexion. Come here. Come, Lucky. Come. Guys, my dog, say hi. Oops, Lucky. Why do you want to turn? Guys, say hi, Lucky.
You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide.